2021 Audi S8, supercharged, pushing 700 horsepower. It's got a stage 2 tune in it. Let me show you guys what we done. Cut 2 resonators off right there that were in the front. Then there's a factory X pipe on it. Then we cut the 2 rear resonators also. Right there, it's a dual in, dual on one. Then we kept the mufflers the same because they got valves in them. So why cut them off if we don't need to? Because the valves will be open and closed. When they're open, it becomes straight pipe. When they're closed, it becomes stop. The mid resonator that we cut off, and there's the 2 baby resonators we cut off. Those were in the front. That's the one in the back. The one in the back is dual in, dual out. The one in the center, I mean. There's the other ones, okay? All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. S8 2021 with both resonators deleted. Go ahead. That crackle, bro. It's right at 77. Go ahead. He likes it. All right, rev it. That's clean. We're not going to rev it too much. Look at idle, it's quiet. This is with the valves open, guys, too. Again. It shows its true colors when you rev it. Like when it's sitting still, it's quiet. It's about to pounce. I like it. Rev it up, let me see it with sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's right at 97. Perfect. All right, go ahead and back it out. Now that it warmed up, it sounds even better. Come on back. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You guys here on the inside. Audi S8 ready for the road. Just did double resonator delete on it. She's ready to go. You guys ready to hear it take off? Let's see if it takes off like a bullet. You said it pushes about 700 horse. I see that. It took off like a bullet. Heck yeah. Enjoy, guys.